Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 109. Ind AS 109 deals with a recognition and measurement of financial instruments. After watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company of which you are an investor, auditor, lender or employee and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. Suppose you find similar reporting in another financial statements but feel the need to discuss on the same. In such cases, you may like to have one-on-one consultation on your findings. A link to book one-on-one consultation is given in the description box. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com. A listed company has disclosed in its note on investments that it measures investment in cumulative convertible redeemable debentures as at amortized cost. Para 4.1.2 of Ind AS 109. Para 4.1.2 of Ind AS 109 states that for a financial asset to be measured at amortized cost, the contractual terms of the asset must give rise to cash flows on specified dates that are solely payments of principal and interest on the principal amount outstanding. The company has invested in a debenture that is convertible into equity shares of the investee. Therefore, the contractual terms of the debenture do not meet the condition of solely payment of principal and interest on the principal amount outstanding. Further, the company has not disclosed any reasons for measuring the convertible debenture as at amortized cost, providing justification for the same. Therefore, the company has not complied with para 4.1.2 of Ind AS 109. Due to this error, all components of financial statements, balance sheet, statement of profit and loss, statement of changes in equity, statement of cash flows and notes have been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code for the knowledge obtained. If not, please do it now. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com.